ever conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Zazo. I'm on live. This is the only reason why I will not, I never wanted to use this phone, because the calls will certainly be coming in. Now, I want to say a very big thank you to everyone. Today we're going to discuss about CFO. In fact, what could use pidgin English to talk on? All through today, I've been often come online before, but the network bad, so I have to reset to come again now. So I first of all tender an unreserved apology for. You know, say I tell you just now. So the calls go just the enter. So the calls the other phone when they use just now, the network no work well. So certainly we will witness this kind of challenge during the course of this broadcast. First, I want to use this opportunity to apologize to those persons who call me where I no fit receive their calls, because they come from different angles. Some they call through WhatsApp, while some they call directly. So when you do on call on WhatsApp, the person when they call you directly, your call will stop that of WhatsApp. So you need to go and reply that one first and say, I'll call you back. After all, will be human being, it will be difficult to reach out to everyone. So even some persons don't write me for WhatsApp. By the power of God, I will make sure say I reply every one of us before the day runs south. We don't already night, sorry, before the night runs to morning, we will do the needful. Now, I want to quickly tell us, since we will make that broadcast about the certificate of occupancy, the cause when I did receive falls within some specific challenge where people they face, and as of today, I will come out to come explain that for us to understand. On our part, Stanlosadi Enterprise, our company did there stand gidigba to render services to you. As of today, we fit secure about 15 surveys we want to carry out tomorrow. Now, by the power of God, I be land experts. We deal on, will you keep quiet? We deal on building of any kind, designs. You know, since when this government come, this government changed the narrative. Stomach infrastructure work. I beg me put your nine alert in case they take me for 100. Stomach infrastructure no longer work. Operation, prepare yourself towards the task ahead. The government not share money, but opportunity have been created. As of today, despite say I'm not officially registered with the ministry, with the CFO office, but I know say I be informal consultant to that particular consortium. So by the power of ubiquitous God, that in itself is an employment opportunity. During the campaign for the elections, I tell all of us, I say, me Osakwinokwodi, I gained from the indirect employment of the government. But as of today, I want to quickly state this to everyone. As I felt talking yesterday, for those in the diaspora who support the re-election bid of Governor Godwin Obaseki, I will do this CFO for you and your survey plan. When we do it for you, I no go bill you my personal billing. Say, see how much you go give me. You go use your mind and your conscience, owing to the fact that you know, say I go fuel myself to move. I go do many waka to make sure say that thing come. You go use your discretion. Say, comrade, thank you. As you dey start, one go do this thing, take this one. As you don't finish, thank you, I don't receive my CFO. Take. Make it come out from your conscience. Because they say now one tree near tree, now make monkey the feed jump from tree to tree. If one tree dey here, the other one dey ring road, the monkey go come down. He go by himself waka go trek before he see another tree go climb am. But when the tree near, he go jump from this one, go hold am and you say, ah, this monkey just dey jump from tree to tree. But you no go know say na because tree near tree, now make that monkey fit jump from tree to tree. So, una don do una own to re-elect His Excellency. For those of us where they benefit from his indirect employment, it is now time for us to subsidize for those in the diaspora and at home, anywhere you are. One fact still remains is this. On our part, we go do them exactly as it be. All information when I give you here yesterday about the CFO, now so it be. I not add my own. I not remove my own. I not remove anything. Now as it be. Now I tell you so. Now only one thing I forgot to tell you, and today I want to bring out to your notice. Now, if you want to do the CFO, I don't tell you say you need survey plan. The survey not concern government. Now individuals, they do survey. They come and survey now of different type. You fit do survey for your house. You do you can't put for your house. Now survey is still be. You fit still do survey. You carry and go give government. Say government, oh, I don't do this survey. And one may you know say this coordinates from this coordinate to this coordinate. Now my land. Make it day the government cover. Make tomorrow, if they say check the survey plan, is this land registered? They say yes. It's on that survey plan, bacon number, so. That type of survey still day. So there be two types of survey when it day. It not depends on the kind of survey where you want. But professionally, I advise that when you do survey, ensure say that survey, the law jam on that government cover. So that anytime, any day, the documents will be available in the states. Another thing again, for those who did diaspora, I want to explain that because even as I explained this yesterday, people still they call me and they call when I tell them, say, if you want to call me, say, comrade, due to the explanation when you give for the media, I want to start. How do we start? Not be say you consider they ask me, say, when now the video you watch, hey, how will I not do this one? No, the video is self-explanatory. But today, another thing when you go bring when I not tell you is you go photocopy the data page of your passport, international passport or your means of identification. Where show say you are in Nigeria, your face go show and your names go show. You go scan am, you go bring come give us. Then you go bring 2 copies of your personal passport photograph. Scan and come give us. We go print your passport here. This one are the core 2 things. When I not tell you yesterday. Utility bill, NEPA bill and the rest. Join. NEPA bills and the rest. You go bring NEPA bill, now utility bill. We go show say so and so house. But that one not be problem too much by the power of God. And as I tell you yesterday, No money wey they pay to Osakwunokwodi apart from money for survey when we go channel to our surveyors wey go the field go do survey under my supervision. I no go fit leave surveyor make the survey. I just leave am say go do am. No, I will be there to supervise the activities of the surveyor to know whether e dey do exactly wetin we want in line with expectation. I don tell una before, under Obaseki government, they no dey give anybody money for hand. They no dey give anybody money for hand. Wey dem say, take, I am paying for this. No. Now, if you now commission Osakwunokwodi, say, I want Stanley Sadi Enterprise to do my CFO. First, you will pay 100,000 naira called development. Why do they call that development? Now, government you dey pay am to, but I go help you pay am. Why I go help you pay am is this. If we say when you pay am, give me water. If we say when you pay am, from where you dey abroad, e go dey difficult. Don't say you know if you pay na account number, but when you pay am into that account, the bank will give you teller, a receipt of payment. That receipt is taken to the office when you want to do the CFO. They go turn that receipt or that receipt of the bank where you take pay. They go turn that to teller for inside that office. Say, now we receive a payment of development of 100,000 for a land of so and so Mr. Osakwunokwodi, for example. Now they will go collect that teller from you. So that receipt of payment from you, they will come issue you a teller. Now that teller you will come carry home. In case you want to do any other land matter, you don't need to pay any other 100,000 again. All you need to do is to pay 50,000 naira for the CFO. Wait. When they will call you, say, for assessment, there are variation in assessment. There are some assessment for residential land. Some fee say 10,000. Some fee say, if he say 15,000, if he say 20,000, as the case may be. What if that assessment fund? That assessment fund, now the fund where they will take go there, check, verify the authenticity of that particular land before they say, Mr. Osakwunokwodi, you are entitled to a statutory right of occupancy. Osakwunokwodi, you are entitled to a statutory right of occupancy. Now be that one. Now be the assessment fund. So when you don't pay one development, otherwise known as tax clearance, for those in the diaspora now they talk to now, I will still explain those where they domesticated in Edo here. When you don't pay that one, not assume say you now don't already pay tax in Nigeria. So you cannot pay multiple taxation again. If you like, you get 350 million land. That teller when you bring come will not cover any of those land. Now, as I explained yesterday, because people still start to call me and say, comrade, my land. Now let me tell you. If you get house where you don't already stay, they don't even build and finish up. But hey, that house can still get CFO. That house can still be surveyed. Somebody asked me one question today. He said, comrade, I buy land for my own, but I use the name of my pikin to buy am. Mr. Samson Agbonwanigbe, for example. Do I need the other one is Mr. Stanley Agbawanigbe, for an example. Do I need separate development fee to cover the two? The answer is yes. That development fee where you pay, where be tax clearance, cannot clear your wife land, cannot clear your son land. Now your own land you go fit clear. So in a situation where you buy land for your children separately, you will pay separate development for those in diaspora, otherwise known as tax clearance, to cover these various persons. So this one, now the core part of it. Now again, know why do you actually need C of O? If you listen to the advert, how it tries. If you listen to the advert, they will tell you, say, now get C of O, now get land. It is the truth. C of O, now land security. Now, let's take an example. You buy land in 1992. You travel, go America. You not return till the year 2020. As you come back, stubborn community people sell all your land. People build as put. Some self don't even stay for more than 25 years. As you come, for as long as you know where your land is, you reach the tenant, say, now my land on a builders. Those people go resist you, say, what, are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you this? Are you that? A land I bought in the community, this is my paper. This is the approval the community gave to me. You say, okay, no problem. Already you get the approval when you take back from community in the past. You get C of O. No follow the fact. No follow the argue. No make gree. Suffer approach the nearest court. Drag them go. The court will now ask them, say, operation, submit your document. This one will submit it or transfer. I bought from Mr. Osakbawa in the community. I bought from Mr. Jumbu in the community. I bought from Mr. Sakunokodi in the community. You will get the C of O come say, I bought from so and so way in the community. And this is my C of O. And there is no way government can issue two C of O for one land. If the rest of them not provide C of O, and you provide C of O to that land, even if say the house where they, it be like the skyscraper where Trans-Canada they use for Canada. The principle of quick platetor solo cedit will take place. He who owns the land owns what is fixed and attached on the land. Quick platetor solo cedit. He who owns the land owns what is fixed and attached on the land. The court will rule, say, both that land and the house belongs to this person. If the court wants, okay, make it sorry for you, the court will say, okay, remove all your property in that land between 24 hours. These people here in Fanfigwe, they'll begin to negotiate. It not depends on the kind of mind where you get. Whether you say, okay, since it don't happen, I know if you turn to homeless people, come and repair from me. At a contemporary price. So that is why you need CFO. So if you get land, you never develop it. If you get CFO, go sleep. But you need to develop your land because we need development in Edo State. So this is not to say because we want to make the land where they do turn to bush because you get CFO. No. We encourage you to come and develop your lands. But in a situation where, as a result of unforeseen occurrence that may be above human control, can happen, you know if you develop somebody saying want to collect that land for you, emetigba, usa. There is only one place where controversy dey CFO. Now I explain now. Now, maybe you bought a land 100 by 100 from a community. You do CFO for that particular land. Then that community can't get issue with another community. As this both community can't get issue, they quarrel, they argue, they can't go court. Court can't rule for the lower court, say, now community A now get this land. They go to the second court, appeal court. Court still rule say, now community A get this land. They can't go Supreme Court. Court still rule say, now community A get the land. Now, if you follow community B back and you get C of O, that your C of O not get straight because the Supreme Court ruling state say, now this person now get the entire community and that your place where you back, they inside the place where the litigation map follow. So therefore, though they will not take that land from you, but you must negotiate with that community. So I don't want to go push you, say when you don't get C of O, you say, I will beat everybody. And C of O lasts for 99 years. Short statements where opposition people, they tell you, opposition where they against the Obaseki administration, say, when you do C of O, they call it, you call it pay yearly. Ask yourself, when you never do C of O, they ask you this, where you they stay, now so you they go to pay. The only time when they be one houses they pay for a those things under Shomole government, tenement rate. I Osakweno Kwoti, Emmanuel Agbogun, where they suppose to Shomole today. Kola Edopaye, Dan Adebame Eche, and many more activists in the those states fought it to stand still, including Curtis Egosa Ugbo. We fought it to stand still. And we ensure, say, state not take over the rights of local government. This was in 2012. After the subsidy protest, sometime in 2011, 2010, 2011, if I'm not mistaken. We have been in the struggle in those states for years. So, nobody show that idea. When they tell you, say, you got to pay for tenement rates. Sorry, not even tenement, say you got to pay yearly for your CFO. Now, opposition statement be that just to discredit the government. Under Oshomole government, now they for the pay 1.5 million for CFO, we Obaseki they give for 50,000 naira so. 1.5, 700, 800, the minimum na 700, and that one na lobby. You go lobby. Egbe na lobby. Egbe. So, no fault for anybody, Matt. Somebody come ask me, say, comrade, will you help me to do it? Now make me come out again today to clarify. I not come here and tell you, say, now so it be to talk about government. Election don't pass. No, to give support to the government. We on our own. We must continue waiting with they do before. We can't get much publicity now. So the reason why they talk to you here today be say, I they do, I build, I survey, I do C of O. So, it's clear. So whenever they call me, make sure say if you not hear the video, somebody call you say, Osakweno, what did they do CFO, did they build? In fact, that it is on issue related to land. In the build, in do this one. If you not watch the video, you have a right to call me and say, comrade, how will I go about the CFO? I will explain. But if you watch the video, I believe this video is self-explanatory. Now, too, I never do some in the past, but this one is very, very broad and simplified. So it will help you in no small way to achieve your aim. So by the power of God, tomorrow we'll carry out some surveys where they already commissioned us to do. Now, I don't tell you about security of your land. So when you get C of O, one who you told me say you coming before, bros, I've been very sorry if I not take your call. Not be my fault, believe me. The call they come different angle. You understand? And I try to take calls. As many they talk now, if I show you my WhatsApp now, you fool. If I true now, I'll suffer on fun for body. Never also take light to the one not vessel. Now time me. So they take light, we'll go bring back light. Someone will be with us. So later now we'll sit down and they reply the message. So if I not pick your call, now we as an egui, it wasn't intentional. Please share this video, share. Click on your share, please. It wasn't intentional. It only happened because of unforeseen occurrence that is above my control at that particular time. Now I can not be say I willingly no one take your call. Understand my point? Now the second reason for C of O. Now you may have a property. When you have a property, you want to collect facilities for bank. If you like that your property now 100 billion and you are only looking for 50 million from the bank to do business, and you get property of 100 billion, the bank will not give you. The bank needs security of that property. So you must provide a certificate of occupancy. Now, for those people who build residential building, who suppose build company, and you go build residential building worth about 60, 70 million naira, for an example. And you know, when you for the get your money before, you just say you go to come like that, it can't go hook. And you want to diversify, you want to go investment in other area. You can use your C of O for that your property to get facilities from the bank. That your property where you get will be residential, you know that you take do business. Where you say you're there. You can use that your C of O of that facility bank. Now me get here, say now the C of O be this, I need 50 million. And you don't already know, say, if you receive this 50 million from the bank, your business when you want to invest on what you just see, definitely you are going to make about 80 million naira within 2 months, for example. The bank will be willing to give you because you get the property and you get the security to secure that facility. So the bank will be willing to give to you. You understand? The bank in itself will be willing to give to you. Now, let me quickly say something. Experience to me is a hard teacher. It teaches you the consequences of every action. Some people say experience is a great teacher. Me, I refuse to agree. Because everything when you do, the consequences of every action must show. So, me, I never see till date the law will establish C of O. Now, the Land Use Act of 1978. And in that Land Use Act, it vests all lands in the states for the hands of the governor of that state. Make it whole land in trust for the overall benefit of the people. Me, I never see where somebody gets your food, they call the president and say you must go and work. You must go and work. Me, I never see that one. So if they write and give you for paper, now you, but me never see where they say because you don't see your phone now, government can't carry phone because you say, Otowenu, my young winner, that allow my young winner, me, I never see him. So if you see him, but I've never seen. I have been dwelling on these things for years, I never see him. Are you getting the point? So, as far as CFO is concerned, it can secure you in so many areas. So many areas. So you need CFO to be able to secure all these facilities that are earlier explained. I don't explain about you buy for your son and the rate of development which you must pay. And again, I want to echo this one. If, for example, you know, so we get some people where they abroad, they are the people they tell them lie. Say, oh sister, brother, 100,000 because they want money. 100,000 no pay any. Now for the one we fair do, you need to pay 100,000 for this one. Not pay. Obaseki not talk say make you come pay development 2 times. Tax clearance 2 times. No. Once you pay that 100,000 development, which is tax clearance, all your land. I remember another verse where I told Nassim about take like not even Nepal. May I go on now? 1 minute. Babe. The painful part be say I signal on a down. So if they come call you again, say they say may you bring another 100,000. This one for the other. La mami otonino ramagba. Keke we no run now. Otonino rigwomo. Otonino rigwezebao. Otonino okay na lie you. It is only one development. And another thing where me and my company no go do again be say we no go do at all be say so before you send us say we go do one because we must get link with one member of your family we must take us go show us the place. Wetin I no go do be say if your family come meet me now say come read or my brother this my brother wey dey abroad or it's my sister wey dey abroad you know if you give us something abeg you are the one join am I no dey do am o. So before you contact your family tell am say not follow and discuss any of those things because maybe I'm sorry to say I might report am to you. I no wan be the person wey go destroy your house o. So before you send am come say show am ensure say you enlighten am. Do you see this name wey we dey talk so for life? Reputation. If e break 1 minute it is hard to build. So if you na person wey be say you get brother, you get sister, you get auntie, you get uncle wey you wan say please go and show Sakwinokoti, quickly advise am make e not raise any of such ideas come where we dey. Now as I tell you this one, this is where my benefit is. I want to explain. I tell you say I no go bill you say give me this or give me that. No. Your conscience, you go use and give me. Any amount of money where you pay, where they pay to government, as we they pay them, all the receipts, as we they hand over and give member of your family when you say what we give, we go to scan copies for you, make you the see. Will the scan copies give you, make you they see? But the cost to scan and all will be incurred by you, not me. If you don't get survey plan for your land, because many people don't get survey, we will do the survey for you. That one we guess na fixed price they be, but that one me I not go discuss that one here. You call me, I will discuss with you. When you don't do your survey, the other one is get it clearly. 100,000 development once for every of your land. Then 50,000 for CFO. So when you don't get development one and you don't get a survey plan, you're only to pay 50,000 naira for CFO. If the land is the same place, it like na 200,000 plots. If na one CFO they want issue, it's 50,000. Now when they want to say assessment, there may be variation in terms of price. And that one, now the discretion of the office. Not be me go decide that one for you. Now the discretion of the office. And when they pay anything they pay, will they give you your receipts. Make you the see. Follow us live tomorrow or pre-recorded. You will see them as we start some of our work for tomorrow. So that is exactly what we do. We operate transparently. Now again, like we send this to everybody. May I be matured man. I not tell you say I not go collect for waiting I work for, but I say I not go bill you. I not bill you say give me 200,000, give me 100,000, give me this, give me that. You now use your own discretion. Say you run to here, you did this useful, you do okay, in your personal. This one our own employment from this government. As a professional town planner. So somebody asked question, make I see that question again. He said, I don't explain that before. He said, situation whereby I don't have tax clearance in Nigeria. I don't tell you before, as you not there in Nigeria, you don't need tax clearance. All you need to do now to pay that development where it talks 100,000. That development will cover any of your land where you get. That one and one. Anywhere your land dey. I get one land for Igwezebao. I get one land for Igwomo. I get one land for Amufi. I get one land for Asagba. I get one land for Awogba. I get one land for Iriri. I get one land for Obazagbo. That one development of 100,000 will cover every of those lands. So they're not pay them twice. Don't pay them twice. As you pay 100,000, you have paid. It's not left for you to continue to buy land, make you the user. They do and they go. They do and they go. All you need to do then is to do your survey, pay the 50,000, get your CFO. Do your survey, pay the 50,000, pay the assessment fee, get your CFO. Simple. Because you have paid a development fee of 100,000. For those who want my number, I want still repeat them again. If you want call me for serious business in respect. I not get it. Sorry to say, I'm not saying you not call me for normal congratulations for the election. Normal, because I'm going to go when you have a tour. We can exchange pleasantries. Very important. We'll be friends. We are all one. We welcome those such calls. In fact, but when it comes to the issue of CFO, say now you want to follow me talk and you don't watch this video, let's discuss strictly on the next way forward. Now, say, for example, say we could this my lab can't pay me. For example, they will call no. Let's go strictly to say, okay, I've looked into it. Let's commence. Ray Johnson, very good question. He said, what about community development fee? Because I received 5 calls where some people tell me, say, we don't pay community development fee. Why they can't say development again? First, community development fee where you pay to the audio, there is nothing like development as of today. In community, it is now called a molu, where they expect you to cook on the yam. That one not get anything to do with government. Government self not even know whether they see that one. Now only traditional institutions recognize say there are a molu, and it is normal. Those days, remember when the person one big foundation, they'll cook a man different soup. But these days now, many people are going to say no need for a man, you convert that to a good. So that is, it varies from community to communities. You understand? But with the development we talk now, we call that development. But the real reason why you pay that money, 100,000 to government, not tax clearance. It be. Now we so not likening them to community development. No. This is purely tax clearance. For those who know where they that's right here. Now what about those where they do? And pensioners where they abroad? Pensioners where don't serve here finish. Pensioners where don't serve finish. Yes, thank you. Another correction is this somewhere. That 100K when you pay, so normal, you must renew tax. Within a year, that your 100K will last to do any kind of number of CFO. Now let's say you get like 50 land, you pay 100K. You go cover the 50 land within a year. Then you know if it's because you don't pay 100K, you say pay, then you go in the next 200 years, you say, I pay 100K that time. See, I want to under CFO. No, you have to pay. So when you pay that 100K within a year range, where you need to renew your tax in your country, where you do anywhere you do renew tax or your tax clearance certificate, as the case may be. So in your country where you do, you must. So with the point being made is very clear. When you don't pay that development of 100,000, it covers all your land. Do all your C of O keep. Now who gets C of O? Now I get land. I better make a check that question again. Okay, I don't answer that community development. Now, my number still remains 070. Never call me now. 070 3610 9939. I repeat, 070 3610 9939. 070 3610 9939. That one on WhatsApp. Then 080 79 74 2172. I repeat, 080 79 74 2172. This one a direct call. And they use the board to receive direct call, but in case you call this one, you not go. When you call this one, and hey, another thing, I know they like to pick private number. Since when this election matter they finish, the threat no end. So when you call us with private number, we know they pick. Call us with your number, we go pick, we go yam, no shaking. But we don't take private numbers. I know say virtually almost all our brothers and sisters with the diaspora, many of them, they don't know say their phone hide. So please, before you call, try make you open your number. Because when you give us the job of CFO for you to do, we must get your number, write your name down, cannot be only you one there our list, so that we know we can go miss Peter on to give Paul or Christopher on to Samuel. So we need every detail, your name, your phone number, because as the process commences, we'll continue to brief you. And again, what is the funding process? For those who will not get survey plan, I will not expect you to send me the money once to say, come in, do the survey, do this one, do this one. No. If we want to start with the survey, you go bring the survey money first. We will go your site, we will do the survey, we will produce your survey plan. We will produce that, when we load down, we will bring we know so we don't do that one. They will now call you, say, now we dey arrange all your documents and requirements wey the CFO office need. As we get them, as we reach there, we dey pay the 50,000. On my part, we dey pay the development instantly. So that time we we'll request you to pay the sum of 150,000 again, which is 100,000 for the tax clearance, 50,000 naira for the CFO. We'll wait. Remember, I said that within 90 days, this thing will come out. Within 90 days, now it will come out. Now, when they don't do verification, they don't use remote sensing. Because that your land, you see, so they'll bring your land, come out for a side map. You go shock. They'll show you your land, see your land for map. When they don't see your land, they don't confirm it, they don't get the coordinates in line with your survey, they'll now call you, say, we are going for assessment. They'll say, your assessment at 5 naira, your assessment at 10 naira, your assessment at 20 naira. We will still call you again, say, you don't reach time of assessment to bring the money. We'll still go, we'll go pay them. Bam. They will wait. Then, as the CFO, they come out. We'll tell you, say, your CFO don't come out to one go claim. As you claim, as we the hand over and give you, you will not give us what you say you want to give us as our own honorarium. Don't forget, as with the starter, you need to give us more thing. We will take run around at normal level. When we don't through, you use your conscience to do what you wish to do. For as long as you support Obaseki in these elections, I have a role to play to ensure, say, you yourself get CFO without stress. And one other assurance is this. As I often tell you before, I'm still repeating it. Before you commission me to do this work for you, advise your family member. And no one get issue with us. Say, Mommy, you're not married. In my family called the call now. No. I am coming not to discuss about your family, but it's strictly on business. And your family cannot come and make me say, my brother, give me 15 naira. No, I will shun them. Maybe I might be disrespectful in that area. They might call report to you, say, hey, so please, before we engage in the business, try to let them know, say, we now go do. So no one, apart from the responsibility where they put on them, the person say, show on the land and provide the documents to him. I have no other business with such person. Thank you very much. For those who need to reach me with the number when I give you. So now me and my brother come stand as us with I will steadily they come give you an update. Not forget this time now for we to build our Bonge Edo, a better Edo for all of us. Now who gets your food? Now I get land, now I get property. Whether your house reach up or reach anywhere, you still get the right to do CFO as we speak. It's me, your brother, the coordinator general, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. Comrade Stanley Osase Osahwe no Wodi. I say big bye for now. Have a lovely day. Do not hesitate to contact us for strictly business. Bye.